Hi everyone, I am Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Nanda Engineering College. Previously, we discussed about what is the function of several variables and its application. In this video, we are going to discuss about the real-time applications in different engineering fields. Now the problem is, a motor operates at 240 voltage and draws 8 ampere. Find the power consumed. We are taking here V equal to 240 and I equal to 8. Just we are substituting this value here. 240 voltage into current. 240 into 8. So we get the values 91920. Right? Next application in civil engineering. Area of a rectangular plot. The area depends on the length and width. So, we are calculating area equal to length into width. For example, a rectangular plot has a length of 25 meter and width of 18 meter. Find its area. So, we know that area equal to length into width. So, we are taking length values 25 and width values 18. So, once we are multiplying these two values, 25 into 18, we get 450. So, we got the area value. And next one is mechanical engineering. They are mainly used in kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of a moving object depends on mass and velocity. So, we are taking kinetic energy equal to half into mv square. So, this problem is a machine part has a mass of 10 kg and moves at 6 meter per second. Find its kinetic energy. We know that kinetic energy half into mv square. So, we are substituting m value is 10 and v value is 6. This is 6 square. So, we are calculating these values. We get 5 into 6 square. We got 180. Move to computer science engineering. They are mainly used in data transfer. The amount of data transferred depends on bandwidth and time. So, we are using data equal to bandwidth and time. Here, B is denoting as bandwidth megabytes per second and time per second. So, the main problem is a network transfers data at 50 MB per second for 30 seconds. How much the data is transferred? So, here we are using data equal to, so we are substituting B values 50 and time values 30. This is we get 1500. Now in agriculture, they are mainly used in crop yield. So crop yield depends on fertilizer and irrigation. So fertilizer, we are calculating yield equal to 2 times of fertilizer plus 3 times of irrigation. So, for example, if F equal to 10 and I equal to 15, find the crop yield index, splitting yield value. Here it's given F equal to 10 and I equal to 15. We are substituting Y equal to 2 times of 10 plus 3 times of 15. We got 65. These applications help engineering students understand how mathematical models are used in mechanical, civil, electrical and electronics and computer science engineering. Thank you.